Vice President Sara Duterte claims there was fraud in the 2025 senatorial elections and that 3 more Partido Demokratiko Pilipino bets supposedly won. Duterte attended on Thursday, June 12, an Independence Day event with Filipinos in Kuala Lumpur, Malaysia. Former PDP senatorial candidates J.V. Hinlo, Jimmy Bondoc, and Richard Mata joined her. In her remarks during the event, Duterte says it was impossible that the numbers that came out during the midterm elections were true.
Tapos na naman ang kampanya. Totoo yun. Pero bakit nandito si Attorney Hinlo, si Attorney Bondoc, si Dr. Mata? Kasi po, para sa akin, at alam kong totoo, nanalo po sila sa eleksyon nung nakaraan. Kausap ko po IT experts na nagsasabi hindi talaga pwede na totoo yung mga numero na lumabas.
Duterte believes that PDP bets performed well in the local absentee and overseas voting. She says this would have also been reflected in the overall results.
Karanasan ko po noong 2022, una ko pong nalaman na baka manalo ako bilang Vice President dahil una pong lumabas ang absentee voting, ang OFW vote. Nakita ko po doon ang panalo ko. Ganun po ang nangyari sa kanila. Panalo po sila sa OFW vote, sa absentee voting. Hindi po ako IT expert, kaya sinabihan ko po ang PDP. Sabi ko, kayo ang partido. Questionin nyo kung paano ginawa ang proseso ng bilangan.
The Commission on Elections has yet to comment on Duterte's claims. In the days after the May 12 polls, the 7 PDP Laban who lost their Senate bids demanded a manual recount of votes. They also called for an investigation into the alleged anomalies in the 2025 elections. In response, the COMELEC said the only way to trigger a manual recount of votes is to file an electoral protest. 3 PDP Laban bets won the 2025 senatorial race, namely Senators Bongo and Bato de la Rosa and Senator-elect Rodante Marcoleta.